إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون. Arabic is not just a language. It is the language Allah chose for His final revelation and for the people of Jannah. English has 170,000 words. Arabic, over 12 million. That richness means every word carries layers of meaning. Take the word taqwa. In English, it is translated as piety, but in Arabic, it means living in a constant awareness of Allah. Fear, love, protection, mindfulness, all in one word. This is why Allah chose Arabic for His book, not for Arabs only, but as a universal gift for all humanity. At Fussilat Madrasa, our native Arabic teachers make learning simple and clear, helping you connect directly with the Qur'an. Start your Arabic journey today with Fussilat Madrasa and unlock the Qur'an for your heart and your life.